The most common statement we hear from our basic self-defense graduates: model mugging self-defense changed my life.
I had taken years of martial arts and many self-defense courses before I took model mugging as a student. Not one of them taught the psychological preparedness that I learned here. And that was such an important factor that drew me to join the program and start teaching.
By working through fear and anxiety in a safe environment, we give ourselves a huge advantage. We'll already have done that prep and practice, so the adrenaline will help us. Instead of panicking, when we acknowledge fear and redirect it, we reclaim control of our own lives and become more confident.
We have poured over thousands of documents of data, research, and analysis, and condensed our findings into common patterns that you're most likely to encounter. Most self-defense courses only teach the physical moves, but we've learned how incredibly important it is to be emotionally and mentally prepared too. We'll teach you how to recognize when something feels wrong, how to set verbal boundaries, how to recognize what the attacker's motivations might be, and how to respond specifically to different types of attackers, and look for the best window of opportunity to strike back. We'll even teach you what to do afterward if you are attacked. After I took the course as a student, my daily chronic stress level went down because I was so much more prepared mentally and I was less afraid of the what-ifs.
Go to modelmugging.org for upcoming courses or to add your name on the invite list for a future course closest to you. Also, click like and subscribe for future content.